Many years ago, while still a child, I grasped one simple rule. It's very simple yet incredibly effective, and everyone can use this rule to improve their lives. Now, I'll tell you what you need to do in order to have everything you want. From this moment onward, never settle for less. No compromises with yourself. What do you want? That's what you should get. But that's not all. Set as your goal something greater than what you dream of. For example, you want to buy an apartment. You have a large family, everyone needs to feel comfortable, and this requires personal space. Of course, you dream of a large multi-room apartment. But while reflecting on this and weighing different options, you decide to be sensible. So, knowing your options, you timidly choose a one-room apartment. By yielding to this notion, many people limit themselves. And what happens next? After buying a one-room apartment, they live in a cramped condition for years on end and complain that they're uncomfortable. What seems like a suitable opportunity today becomes a dull reminder tomorrow that you wanted something completely different and what could have been expected. And it is all because they're not guided by their true desire or genuine dream, but by a subjective, very often diminished notion of themselves and their capabilities. Success, after all, is achieved by those who act differently. They set themselves a genuinely big goal and then look for the means to achieve it. They are decisive. They don't provide for compromise. If they're willing to accept changes, if only to accommodate those that will give a greater and better result. A staggering fact is that you can achieve anything you want if you firmly make it clear to yourself and the world around you that you won't settle for less. Such an approach will open new horizons for you, as well as give you the necessary energy and motivation to achieve your goals. For a one-room apartment is not inspiring. Somewhere in the depth of your soul, it is even disappointing. But a large and spacious apartment causes an emotional uplift. And this itself is a huge driving force which helps people achieve their success, surpassing their abilities, surprising both themselves and those around them. Always set big goals, never lower bar, and don't settle for less. This is the only way you will make your life truly joyful and prosperous.